The resistance band assisted Nordic hamstring curl is an excellent bodyweight leg exercise that primarily targets and strengthens the hamstrings. The stronger the resistance band, the easier the movement will be. To get started, loop a resistance band around a stable structure that is close to chest level while kneeling. Begin the movement by kneeling down on the floor on top of a rolled up exercise mat or pad for comfort. To anchor your body, place the back of your ankles under a sturdy object with your feet and ankles in alignment with your knees. While kneeling, place the resistance band around the outside of your shoulders and chest while holding the resistance band with your hands in front of your body. Your shoulders should be over your hips with your abs and glutes contracted, neck in neutral position with your chin tucked as if you're trying to hold an object in place. Once you're ready, slowly lower your body towards the ground as you resist with your hamstrings. It's important to keep a straight line from your knees to your upper body. Using your hamstring strength, slowly go as low as you can, then once you hit failure, reverse the movement back to the starting position by squeezing your hamstrings to raise your body back up. Ensure your body is still in a straight line from your knees to your upper body as you reach the top of the movement. Repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.